World Food Day 2025, hand in hand for better foods and for a better future. It was a bright and breezy morning in the Green Valley. The children of the Sunshine Primary School were busy preparing for World Food Day. Colorful banners fluttered in the wind, and the smell of freshly turned soil filled the air. This year's theme, Hand in Hand for Better Foods and a Better Future, inspired everyone to do their part to make the world a healthier, happier place. Amara, a curious 10-year-old, was helping her friends pick ripe tomatoes from their school garden. Do you think our little garden really makes a difference? She asked, wiping sweat from her forehead. Mr. Joseph, their teacher, smiled as he joined them. Of course it does, Amara. Every seed you plant, every vegetable you grow, every meal you share helps build a better future. Big changes start with small hands working together. The children had been working on a project called Little Hands, Big Roots. They planted tomatoes, lettuce, sweet peppers, and cassava using compost from their kitchen scraps. They learned how caring for the soil helped plants grow strong and how saving seeds meant they could plant again next year. Ravi, one of the older members, added proudly, and we're learning to use less plastic and more natural materials. Even our watering cans are made from reused bottles. The children laughed as they carried baskets of vegetables to the weighing station. Soon, they would deliver the produce to the school's kitchen, where the cooks were preparing a special World Food Day meal. On the menu were vegetable soup, cassava pie, and fresh fruit juice made from mangoes and pineapples grown nearby. And another something that all the children would savor, some delicious fruit and vegetable chow. While they worked, Amara noticed her friend Lila picking up fallen leaves to make more compost. You really love gardening, girl, she said. Lila grinned. Yes, when I plant something, I feel like I'm helping the earth. It's amazing how tiny seeds can grow into food that keeps us strong and healthy. After the meal was ready, everyone gathered in the schoolyard. The tables were decorated with flowers and hand-painted signs that said, "Grow together, eat the rainbow, healthy foods, healthy future." The smell of fresh homemade food filled the air. As they ate, Amara looked around at her friends, teachers, and neighbors. Everyone enjoyed the food that they had helped produce. She smiled. We worked together, and now we're all eating together. That's what hand in hand really means. Mr. Joseph nodded proudly. Exactly. When we share our time, knowledge and care, we create better foods for a better future. Not just for ourselves, but for our families, our community, our country, our world. That evening, as the sun set behind the hills of Green Valley, the students watered their garden one last time before it was time to head home for the day. The plants glistened in the golden light, and the children made a promise to keep growing their gardens, sharing what they learned, and always working hand in hand. And from that day on, the Sunshine Primary School became known throughout Green Valley for their kindness, teamwork, the love for the earth, and proof that even the smallest hands can plant the biggest dreams. Thank you.